It was 26th of October 2011, around 6:32 in the morning. I was 15 years old and I wanted to get into stunt riding. So I tried pulling up a wheelie and so yeah, this was me 9 years ago. So it was exactly 10 years ago जब मुझे मेरी लाइफ की पहली बाइक मिली थी. तब मैं क्लास 9th में हुआ करता था. I was around 14 years old and this may sound a little weird कि भाई 14 साल के बच्चे को किसी ने बाइक क्यों दिलाई. But there's a story behind it and I'll try to explain. Meanwhile, I want to talk about how I got into video creation. I mean, how I got interested into video creation. क्योंकि 10 साल पहले भी मेरे पास ना तो कैमरा था, ना ही मुझे वीडियो एडिटिंग आती थी. But then still I used to record myself जब भी मैं stunt riding practices के लिए जाता था अकेले. And I feel grateful that I've recorded all those footages, like I've documented the process because now those footages are so helpful for me to tell the story that I'm trying to tell. So it all started with a show called MTV Stunt Mania. MTV Stunt Mania Season 1 came, and then Season 2, and then Season 3. By the time Season 3 was there, I had decided that I wanted to participate in Season 4. But then later on, I got to know that they had a contract with MTV for 3 seasons only, and it never came. So that's how I gained my interest into stunt riding. Now the question that how did I get my bike at the age of 14? So my father passed away when I was of 11 months old, and since then I have grown up in a family where there was no male member. So हमारे घर में जितनी भी गाड़ियाँ हुआ करती थी वो सारे मॉपेड थे, यानी नॉन गियर गाड़ियाँ थी, मोटरसाइकिल्स नहीं हुआ करती थी. और उस टाइम पे जो मेरे दोस्तों का सर्कल था वो सबके पास गाड़ियाँ थी, यानी उनकी नहीं थी, उनके डैड की थी. तो वो अपने डैड की गाड़ियाँ लाते थे एंड वीकेंड्स में चलाते थे. अब उनके डैड की गाड़ियों से तो मैंने भी बाइक चलानी सीख ली. बट देन स्टंट राइडिंग का चस्का चढ़ा हुआ था एंड उनके डैड की गाड़ियों में तो स्टंट राइडिंग कर नहीं सकता भाई, क्योंकि गाड़ियाँ टूटती फूटती हैं. सो आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू माई मॉम, सो आई शेयर एवरीथिंग विद हर. तो मैंने एक दिन ऐसी बातों में आई शेयर्ड एवरीथिंग विद माई मॉम. मम्मी ऐसी बात है, मेरे पास तो बाइक है नहीं, मुझे चलानी है, अब मैं क्या करूँ. सो लकीली माई मॉम वॉज इन अ पोजिशन टू बी एबल टू अफोर्ड अ बाइक फॉर मी एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. सो शी गिफ्टेड मी वन एंड मैंने कोई इमोशनल ब्लैकमेल नहीं किया था बाय द वे, ठीक है. सो दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट माई फर्स्ट बाइक एट द एज ऑफ 14 एंड देन इट ऑल स्टार्टेड. I started going for practice every weekend early morning. Since I had no one to shoot my videos, I used to record it by myself. And sometimes when my friends were there, they used to record it. So जब मैं अकेला होता था तो मैं पत्थर पे फ़ोन टिका के I used to record few chunks of my practice. And then I crashed. And again. And again. And then finally, the day came. So it took me around 2 years to learn how to properly do a wheelie. और उस 2 साल के बीच में मुझे कभी भी frustrated feel नहीं हुआ या कभी भी ऐसा burnout जैसा feel नहीं हुआ. And now when I look back and I try to analyze, I feel it's mostly because I never did it for money or for fame or to be that cool guy in my school or to be that cool guy in the town. It was all from the place of pure joy that I was experiencing while learning it. And that's how the whole idea for this video came into my head. That it's important, it's very important to have fun in the process of learning. But only if your intentions are right. So if there's anybody out there who doesn't enjoy the process of learning, maybe you need to ask yourself a question. What are your intentions? And then everything turned out to be good. My skills became advanced. I was doing high chair wheelie. I was doing half fold circles. I was doing rolling stoppies. No hand wheelies. And many more. I did few shows in my own city and some in my nearby cities. Eventually people started respecting me. I became the cool guy in my school. People started recognizing me. But I was never inclined towards all of this. It was just a byproduct of me having fun in doing something that I really wanted to do. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you really enjoyed watching it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to tell me something, you are free to comment down in the comment section below. Also, if this video was helpful or maybe valuable or maybe even entertaining in some or the other way, so if you feel like sharing, you can share it as well. And rest, you know. So please take care of yourself. Have a great day ahead. Stay fit, stay safe, wash your hands, and yeah, have fun.